Welcome to the Fresh Connection, where you get to experience end-to-end supply chain management in action. Everyone talks about it, but few are able to fully comprehend the complexities involved. You'll get hands-on experience in end-to-end value chain management. What can you expect? You'll take on a management role in this virtual production company and face a range of challenges with increasing complexity. It all starts with strategic alignment. Do you have a strategy? And what does it really mean for every department? Next, functional alignment. How are decisions connected, and what are the cross-functional trade-offs? As part of a 4-person team, you'll experience the complexity of creating an aligned value chain. Implement, evaluate, and adjust your plan along the way. You'll learn how to create the best-performing supply chain. Feel the power of alignment and collaboration in your team. Join us and get real-world experience in a safe learning environment.